Hi guys, out at Abbott's Pool. That's the pool over there. I normally go and put the boats in over the far side, but I'm in this little clearing here. I'm going to give the Syma a little go. I just flew the little biplane. Very pleased with that. Only toy grade. But yeah, we'll give the Syma a little run here. Syma X5C. And this one weighs 99 grams with the battery in it. It also has a little camera in it. I assume that's what the C stands for when it says Syma X5C. C for camera. Possibly, maybe. That's what I think. Power on, flashy lights. Okay, looks like we have some power. I'm going to come back up the slope a little bit. Right. That should be the camera on. Oh. Camera on, but I reckon that battery's flat. I'm only trialling this idea of charging it from the power bank, but that just died, didn't it? That was unexpected. Yeah, I reckon flat battery. Okay. Don't appear to be able to turn the camera off either. Probably because the battery's too flat. Oh, okay. Well, that's worth knowing. Can't turn the camera off. Alright, let's see if this one's any good. Well, if nothing else, it's educational. Because I wanted to see whether that power bank would be any good. At the moment, it's not looking promising. Okay, we've got power again. Oh, we'll let the walkers go by so we don't disturb the horse or anything. We'll power off again. I mean, we're miles away, but you never know. I expect those walkers will be gone in a while, if we're lucky. Let's stick this back on charge. Red light is on. I suppose I could get my normal camera out, or main camera. See if I can spot some ducks or something while we're waiting. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.